In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become Xero certified. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so even if you're completely new to Xero, you'll be able to follow along. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information you need to provide to start your journey towards Xero certification through their partner program. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Xero Partner Program and hit enter. You're looking for the official Xero website in the results. It should clearly mention the Xero Partner Program. Click that result to go straight to the Partner Program page. Make sure you're on the official Xero site by checking the web address and overall look of the page. Once you're on the Xero Partner Program page, look for the option that says Become a Partner. This is usually a prominent button or link on the page. Click on Become a Partner to start the sign-up process. The Partner Program is how Xero manages its certified accountants, bookkeepers, and advisors. So this is an important first step on the path to certification. After you click Become a Partner, you'll be taken to a sign-up form. Here, you'll need to fill in your details. This typically includes things like your name, business or practice details, your role, your location, and your contact information. Take your time with this part and make sure everything is accurate. Using a professional email address is a good idea, as this is where Xero will send important updates and instructions about your partner status and training. As you complete the form, double check for any required fields marked with an asterisk and make sure there are no spelling mistakes. This helps avoid issues with verification or future communication. Once you've entered all your details, submit the form and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. Xero will guide you step by step through the next actions you need to take. This may include verifying your email address, setting up your login, and accessing the partner dashboard. Inside the partner dashboard, you'll find access to Xero's education and certification resources. From here, you can locate the certification courses and learning modules you need to complete in order to become Xero certified. Just keep following the instructions that appear on screen and move through the training at your own pace. And that's it. By reaching and signing up through the partner program and then following the on-screen prompts,